Hello guys, today I will show you this report generator I have developed using Google Apps Script and Google Sheets. As you can see in this report generator app, you have an option to send the report to your to an email address, or export report, or export the attachments. So the way this generator works is, first it would take a template sheet like this one with placeholders, and these placeholders will be replaced by actual data from a Google Sheet data source like this one. Okay, so this is the template report settings. This is where you will add the placeholders, the data source, and the value you want to appear in the report. For example, in this paragraph, the value that will be used is this dummy text. But for these tables, since the value column is missing and the data source is present, like this sheet ID, sheet name, and data range. So the script will extract the data in this range from this data source and replace this placeholder in the template with the data generated from this data source and presented as table. Let's see how this generator works. First, let's enter an email, a subject, an email body, and attach monthly sales report with attachments. Then let's select the attachment we want. I'm going to attach the dashboard and the invoice as an example. Okay, export, attachment export type, report export type, template code you want, then send mail. It would take a while because the script will extract the necessary data and replace the placeholders on the template document. There, email sent. You also have an option to export the report or the attachment, or both, to your local drive. For example, let's export the report. There, the report. As you can see, the report is very professionally looking. Next, let's export the attachment. There, the attachments, the dashboard, and the invoice. Now, as you might notice, the report template code has two templates available. You can add as many templates as you want or as you need, so that you can switch to different templates to change the look and feel of your report. For example, let's use this template and export the report. There, as you can see, this report has different format from the first one because it uses a different template. This is the first template and this is the second template. So you can see the report is very customizable. You can add as many data as you need by adding the placeholder, the data source, and the value you need, and also adding the placeholder on the templates. You can customize the alignment, the emphasis. So as you can see, the table column width, as you can see, the report is fully customizable. That's it. Thank you.